This is Steve J, and I'm here with Fred, and believe it or not, he won this car in 1998 back on Thunder 105. It's a really cool car. I mean, it's got a picture of the Beatles on it. Fred told us his story about this car. It's just compelling. Check it out.
He drove it away, and I'm like, hey, my car! $200 to drive it off the lot because that was sales tax, tag title and license. Tag title and license. Oh God! Fuck!
हो गया काम
अंदर